Yes, student, welcome to your mathematics class. Today we are just going to start our exercise 1.1. Okay, our basic is almost done in the previous class. Now I am just proceeding with the first exercise and first question. Which of the following are set? Justify your answer. The collection of all prime numbers. As you know that the prime numbers are starts with the 2. So 2, 3, 5, they are the giving the same answer from each and everyone. So it is a well defined collection. So it is this is a set. The next is the collection of good hockey player in India. What do we by good? Each player is good in our term, but that is it's all depend upon the individual opinion. So it is not a set. Collection of the rich person of India, that is not well defined collection. Collection of all natural number less than 1000. Everyone will tell the number, same number from 1 to 999, 999. Okay, so it is a well defined collection, so it is a set. Collection of all odd integers. Okay, you can also check that this is also a well defined collection. Write the set in the set builder form. Question number 2, I am taking its second part. There is 6, 10, 14 and 18. As you can see that they are the 4 multiple plus 2, 4 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 16 plus 2. Okay, as you can see that in the multiple of 2, 4, 2 is added. Okay, if I have to write in the set builder form, I will write x such that x is equal to multiple of 4, that is 4n plus 2, where n start from form 1 जा 4, 1 से start है आपका 4 तक जा रहा है, तो n is less than equal to 4 and n belongs to natural number. ओके, आपने n की वैल्यू यहाँ 1 से लेकर 4 तक लेनी है. 1 की नीड नहीं है क्योंकि नेचुरल नंबर नेचुरली ही 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. इट्स क्वाइट ऑब्वियस थिंग, सो इसको मेंशन करने की नीड नहीं है. Come to the next part. There is a fourth part. That there is 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, 1 by 64. As you can see that this is the 2 power 2, this is 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Okay, so you can write in the set builder form x is equal to, in numerator there is only 1 and in denominator there is 2 power n, and n starts from 2 and end with 6. So you have to mention here it's less than greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 6, where n belongs to natural number, where n is the natural number. हम ये क्यों लिखते हैं? Why we need to write this? Because अगर आप ये नहीं लिखते तो I can take n as a 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So we just mention it that n belongs to natural number. It means you have to take only value of n is a natural number. Okay, complete number. Come to the next one. Question number 3, in which all the sets are given in the set builder form and you have to write in the list form. Okay, you have to create the list. Second, the set of all prime numbers. Set of, second part, that set of prime numbers or which is even also, and there is only one element, 2, that is prime and even, 3, that is odd, 5, that is odd, 7, that is odd. So there are the only 2 element is that which are the prime as well as the even number. Come to the fourth part. In the fourth part, what is the written here? X belongs to real number, that x should be real. Okay, it means x should be a real number. X square is equal to 9 and 2x equal to 4. Okay, x square is equal to 9 and the x square is equal to 9 and the next is 4. So what I will write here? When taking this, solving this equation, you will have x is equal to plus minus 3 and here you will have x equal to 2. What is the common? Comma means common. What you will take common from this and this term? Is there any x which is same in both the term? No, no. There is nothing same. Here is the 3 and minus 3, there is 2. In these two equation, nothing, no element is same. So this is the blank. Nothing will come. This is a void set. This is a singleton set. Now come to the next part. I am taking one more part, that is 6th part, where the x such that 4x minus 15 less than 29 and x belongs to natural number. Firstly simplify this equation. 4x 29 plus 15, it means it's become 44. You have to take x is less than 11. Okay, and that is also belongs to natural number. Less than 7b or natural number b, then you will type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So all these are the natural number which are less than 11 and belongs to natural number. Okay, now come to the question number 4. In question number 4, you tell me which of the following are null set and why. Okay, you have to create the set and you have to tell that there is a null set and a or not. Firstly, I am taking B set. B set is there x plus 3 equal 3. On solving, you will have x equal to 0. So it means in this set you will have 0 as an element. So is it a null set or not a null set? Not a null set. He or she is asking why. He wants the reason. So since 0 is also an element, so it is not a null set. It is a singleton set. Okay, the single element is there, so it is a singleton set. I am taking 5th part of it. In x square is equal to 4 and x equal to 3. On solving this quadratic equation, you will have plus minus 2 and 3. So is it a singleton set or not? Is there anything common? Comma is there. I have already told you in the previous page where we have done the same type of question. What is common in this and this term? Nothing is common, so it's blank. So it is a null set. Nothing is there, so it is a null set. Question number 5, in which you have to tell there is a finite set or it is a finite set or infinite set. Okay, I am taking first 2000 number. First 2000. Can you count it? Yes. So it is a finite set. Set of all positive greater number 1000. Greater than 1000. There is a lot of number. So second part is infinite set. There is a lot of number. Okay, in the same way you can perform the rest of the question. Come to the question number 6, in which you have to tell that the which set are the equal and not equal. As you know that what is the equal set, where the elements are the same in the both set, then we can say that they are the equal set. I am taking third part. Firstly, I am taking second part, where A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the B is x, such that the x is the positive even integers less than equal to 10. What you will write, there is a positive and even integer, so you will start 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is also included because there is equal symbol. So they both set having the equal element, same element, so they have the equal, they are the equal set. Okay, in the same way you can try the rest of the part also. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Come to the question number 7. I am taking last part of it. In question number 7, I am taking this part 1, 2 and 3. Here second is x, where x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Third is 3, 2 1, and fourth is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. When you make the factors of this one, you will have that x equal to 1, 2 and 3 are the solution. You can check. Okay, now make the factor of this. You will have x minus 1, x equal to 1 and 1. Okay, these two are the elements. Now you tell me which are the equal sets. As you can see that this set and this set have the same element. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So these three sets are the equal set, but they are the equal and equivalent all set. Okay, but they are asking about the which set are equal. So this set and this set is equal. How you will get the? Firstly, you can hit by you can make the factors of by hit and try method. Okay, put x equal to 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. This is the method. You will get 0. So x minus 1 is a factor of this. Then you make the division. Then you will have a quadratic equation x square minus 5x minus 6 and remainder should be 0. Then you will make the factor of this. You will have minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So you will have x minus 3 and x minus 2 factors getting 0. So they are equal to 0. You will have x equal to 2 and 3. In this way you will have the three zeros of this cubic equation. You have done in the class 9th also. So this is the way by which I have got these three numbers 1, 2 and 3 solution of this cubic equation. Okay, so here your exercise 1.1 is completed. Okay, thank you.